on your camera and put on your mics, because this is going to be a fun session, laughter session, and I would like to see the smiling and laughing faces all over the Zoom screen. So everybody please stand up, अपना कैमरा ऑन कीजिए, अपना माइक ऑन कीजिए, एक हंसने वाला प्रोग्राम करते हैं.
Done, sir.
Thank you.
I think there's some glitch. I couldn't give you the rights to share the screen.
Okay. क्या करें फिर? Shall we do with?
Let me try.
All right. So I would like to welcome Neha ji, Abhishek ji, Naresh ji, Pradeep Srivastav, Ankush, Vaishnav, Mukesh, and 24 of Kajals.
Kajal everywhere.
har taraf tera jalwa. So let me start my story. I was 10 years old when my father woke up in the morning at 5 o'clock. He said, "Son, wake up." I said, "Where are we going?" He said, "This is a surprise for you." As soon as I heard the word surprise, I was excited. I got into the daily rituals, and in half an hour I was ready. And the place where we were going was about half an hour from where we lived. And we walked on the way, and it was like father-son bonding to the best, and the weather was really exciting, and we had good chit-chat, we had good bonding, and after half an hour we reached a park, and this park was having a big circle of people, happy faces, they were in a circle and they were doing exercises, yoga, pranayam, and there was a glow on their faces. And after these exercises was over, then one person started laughing like this. And then it became 2 people and 3 people, and then everybody was laughing like this. So imagine that we are standing in a circle. Please laugh with me. Do we have permission now, Shishir ji? No, still not. No problem.
I am trying, but
ठीक है, जब हो जाए तो बता दीजिएगा, कोई बात नहीं. I'll manage without it. So the theme for today is, with laughter in your pocket, your business is going to shoot like a rocket. I'll repeat it again. With laughter in your pocket, your business is going to shoot like a rocket. Now I'll tell you how it is possible to do. End goal of whatever we do, चाहे हम बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, जॉब कर रहे हैं, रिलेशनशिप में, या हम हेल्थ एक्सरसाइजेस कर रहे हैं, या हम कहीं टूर पे जा रहे हैं, या हम कहीं पिकनिक पे जा रहे हैं, द एंड गोल of all the activities, all the projects, all the human pursuits is happiness. Do you agree? I'm waiting for responses from all of you.
Yeah, true.
Unmute kar lijiye, please, everybody. Kajal, can you unmute everybody, please? Right. So, unless you have a noise on your side, you should be on unmute. तो जब आपका एंड गोल अगर हैप्पीनेस है, तो हमारी जर्नी क्या होगी? वो खुशियों को पाने के लिए पूरी जिंदगी हम लोग, we will be going through stress, strain, and fear, greed, all those negative emotions will be there. But if we decide to start our journey, to start our projects, to start every day, to start every activity of our project with happiness, imagine how the journey is going to be. Can you imagine? अगर हम हंस के खुश हो के कोई काम करते हैं तो कैसा होता है काम? Anybody? बहुत अच्छा होता है ना. तो उसका प्रोडक्टिविटी आपकी डबल हो जाती है, ट्रिपल हो जाती है. डू यू एग्री? उसमें मजा आता है काम करने में, बिकॉज नाउ यू विल बी हैप्पी एंड हैप्पीली डूइंग द सेम एक्टिविटी विच यू आर सपोज्ड टू डू एनीवेज. So I have 3 goals for this session. The first session goal is to give you a 5-step formula to give you happiness every day. And if you have the happiness, money will fall like raindrops on you. Second outcome that I promise is explanation of how you can get tons of opportunities and money just by laughing. And then the third one is to get a blueprint to get the true happiness. So let me start with my first outcome. I have written a book called laughlines.org. If you type on your browser LAUGHLINES.org, you will get the access to the Amazon link where you can buy my book. It's just 197 rupees. And for those who buy the book, I have 4 gifts for you. Number one is that you will be a member of my official Facebook group for the reader, created exclusively for the readers of Laughlines. Second is a membership of my VIP club. Third one is a Telegram group for generating happiness as well as financial freedom. And the fourth is an email course on 21 days of abundance. And for those who give me testimonial after reading the book, I have 2 more gifts. First one is a free participation in the Happiness Festival. So where you will be having a daily dose of laughter for 5 days. And the second one is 50% discount on my Laughlines VIP program, which is currently already at 50% discount. So 8,000 rupees is the normal MRP. And now it is available at 4,000. But for the readers, it is going to be just 2,000 rupees. So that's the advantages that I'm going to give you. Shishir ji, kuch hua ho?
नहीं, मेरे से नहीं होगा, वो काजल से ही होगा.
काजल जी. All right. So here is the 5-step formula. Number one, that if we start any activity, the happiness, it gives you a lot of enthusiasm. Alright, do you agree? हम खुशी खुशी मजे मजे में जब काम करते हैं तो enthusiasm होता है, energy होती है हमारे में. Then it gives you motivation to work even better. And then it gives you positivity. And once you have the positivity, in a positive mindset, you get the better efficiency. And then if you have a better efficiency, your performance will double or triple. And then you will get good feedback from your customers and clients. And you will be in the limelight. You will become a superstar in your industry. And then it will give you, obviously, more money because you are in limelight. You know, you are not having to do any Facebook advertising for your business. People will flock to your website, and it will reinforce that we are on the right track, and it will give you happiness. So that is a 5-step thing that I promised. The second outcome I promised was correlation between laughter and money. So हम कह रहे हैं कि हम जब खुशी होते हैं तो हम अमीर भी बन जाते हैं. वो कैसे है? देखिए, the fake or real, the laughter has been giving you the same benefits. So body doesn't know whether you are laughing for fake or you are laughing for real. Actually, to be honest with you, if you are laughing at Kapil Sharma show or any stand-up comedian, your laughter is subjective to your appreciation of that joke. You know, sometimes people don't appreciate it, they don't laugh, you know, and they do a lot of, work to create those jokes. But here, you don't have to depend on any jokes. Everybody with the intent to create a better health and better happiness can laugh. So let's laugh, everybody. Now you don't have to laugh always. You can just appreciate the creation of God. See this orange or a kinu, whatever you call it, the color, bright color, and look, imagine the taste it is giving you, and smell it. God has given so much bountiful things, नरेश जी, आप जरा अपना म्यूट कर लेंगे. Mr. Naresh, can you mute yourself, please?
Yeah, sir. It's already on.
See this chiku, you don't have to heat sugar. This is a good enough chiku and dates. You can replace your sugar with this, and then you have this, watermelon or melon. So you have, the nature has given you enough reason to celebrate life. अब किसकी आवाज आ रही है? नरेश जी?
Yes,
You're
sir.
not muted. Fazil, can you help me by muting? Yeah, thank you. So it gives you immunity. Because why? Because in the process of inhaling lot of oxygen, your lungs are having a dose of strength, So like this, laugh with me like this, raise अपने हाथ जो है कैमरे के पास लेके जाइए, and then inhale, hold 1, hold 2, hold 3, and exhale. And then again, inhale, hold, and exhale. Now, third time when we exhale, we are going to laugh with it. Inhale, hold. क्या होता है कि आपका जो बॉडी का जो लंग्स है, हम नॉर्मली वी यूज ओनली 5% or 10%. With this kind of laughter exercises, we are using the full capacity of our lungs. Each and every alveoli is having intelligence. कि उनको जब तक हम काम पे नहीं लगाए, जैसे आपके एम्प्लॉइज हैं, जब तक हमको काम पे नहीं लगाओगे उनको शार्पनेस नहीं आती. इसी तरह से हमने ईच एंड एवरी एल्वोलाई को इन्वॉल्व करना है. उसके लिए जरूरी है प्राणायाम एंड लाफ्टर. बिकॉज लाफ्टर, इन द प्रोसेस ऑफ लाफ्टर यू आर एक्चुअली एक्सेलिंग. इफ यू थिंक अबाउट इट, जस्ट लाफ विद मी फॉर 1 minute. Automatically you are inhaling. After some time, you're forced to breathe in. You're forced to take the fresh oxygen from the air, and in the process of exhaling, in the process of laughing, you are exhaling stale carbon dioxide. So it increases your mood, it increases your immunity, it gives you pain relief. Because जब आप हंस रहे होते हैं तो आपको कोई भी दर्द याद नहीं होता, right? Obviously, this is the best stress management tool, and it gives you the efficiency, your efficiency, physical efficiency as well as mental efficiency. It is increased. It gives you laugh lines on your face. You see, every day when you laugh, it makes permanent mark, and that rules out the use of fair and lovely. आपका चेहरा ग्लो करने लगता है, and you attract a lot of good people around you because you have charisma, you have positivity, and you have charm on your face, and you become a magnetic personality. Now, what happens when you are a magnetic personality? You attract love, you attract romance, you attract marriage with a good partner. And if you are in a job, your boss is going to notice that this person is bright. I want to retain this person. I will give him increment and promotion. So that means more money. And if you are in a business, which all of us are, then it attracts more customers, more alliance partners, more funding agencies, and more projects. And that in turn translates into more money. So that is the connection between laughter and money. And if you are in marketing, which everybody IB entrepreneur is, so it attracts more sales and more PR and personal branding and success. So that is the second outcome that I promised. Now come to the third outcome, which is the blueprint to get the true happiness. So first course that I have created, like I said before, available only for 2,000 rupees for people who are joining, who are part of this group that Kajal ji has created. It will be only 2,000. Actually, I sold it for 4,000 rupees earlier. So it is giving you the benefits of health as well as fitness. And then the next course is going to be on financial freedom, and that together will build a great quality of life. And once you एक देखिए कंजम्पशन की एक लिमिट होती है ना, हाउ मच मनी कैन यू कंज्यूम, लाइक बिल गेट्स, like our Tatas, like our Ambanis. खाना तो सबको उतना ही होता है ना, 2 चपाती और 2 चावल और बड़े. And then after some time, you have and that money that of the society. All right, so you can contribute to the charity, and you will get good karma, and that will give you, my friends, the true happiness. So, did you get value out of this workshop?
Definitely.
All right. Thank you very much. And I'm going to put some links because you could not get the opportunity to watch my presentation. So I'll just put the links on in the group as well as on the Zoom chat. Thank you very much.